Alright guys, so we're looking at doing improper fractions to mixed numbers and vice versa. So we're going to convert there, I won't convert between types of fractions. Okay, so I've got some examples down here. Right, so the first one here, this is our improper fraction. Our improper fraction means it's improper because our numerator is usually smaller than our denominator. Okay, and as we know, our denominator tells us how many parts the whole has been cut into, and then this is how many pieces that fit into the parts. Okay, so if my box of pizza was cut into 4 slices, okay, but I've actually got more than 4 slices here to make a whole box. I've got a couple of boxes actually here of pizza, so let's actually sort that out. So what we do is we divide the top by the bottom. Okay, so 4, how many times can 4 go into 9? Well, we know that 2 times 4 equals 8, so it can go into there 2 whole times. Okay, and then I'm actually going to have 1 piece left over the 4. Okay, so that's how I've converted it from our improper to a whole and the fraction, which is now our mixed number. Okay, so let's go to this one down the bottom here. Okay, so how many times can 12 go into 32? Okay, so we know 12 plus 12 equals 24. Okay, and then another 24, another 12 onto 24, well, that's not going to equal 32, it's going to equal 38. So it can't go into there 3 times, it can only go into there 2 times again. Okay, so if I took my 24 away from 32, okay, what am I going to be left with? Well, I'm going to be left with 8 pieces. 8 pieces out of the 12. Okay, so just not quite enough to go back into there. Okay, but there I've made it a mixed number. Okay, I've divided the top by the bottom, okay, which gave me 2 holes and 8 pieces left over. Right, so let's go over to mixed numbers to improper. So these ones are quite easy as well. I like doing these ones. So this is where we've got our whole number. They were trying to get our whole number back into pieces. So the box was cut into 6. Okay, so each box is cut into 6, and this has only got 2 pieces left of that box. Okay, so if I cut this into 6 pieces, okay, so basically going 6 plus 2 up there is going to equal my improper fraction. Okay, and so that's going to give me 8 over 6. Okay, so that's now bigger than our denominator. Okay, so this one down here, a little bit bigger numbers now. Okay, same again. Okay, the whole box was cut into 8 pieces, and I have 6 of them already there. Okay, but I'm going to cut these 5 pieces. Okay, so imagine if these were each individual bits of pizza. Okay, but a whole pizza, we had to cut them into 8 bits each one. Okay, so basically 8 times 5. Okay, and then we know our 8 times tails, 8 times 5 is 40, plus our 6. Okay, it's going to equal 46 over 8. Okay, so there we go. We've done our mixed number into our improper fraction. Okay, so that way we can go back between. Okay, so we've done impropers to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper. So there we go. That's it. Enjoy it. We'll see you on the floor to do a few more practices of some of these. Okay.